Namaskar, I'm the ambassador speaking. In these trying and difficult times that we are currently undergoing, I thought I would address the members of the Indian community and more importantly the younger members of the Indian community, the students living here, to try and assuage some of their concerns and to communicate what we are doing here at the embassy during this critical time. As you know, the coronavirus disease has evolved into a pandemic, and you must be following the developments which are unfolding hour by hour. My request is follow all the authentic websites. The Ukrainian government, the Indian government, the World Health Organization, all have their own verified pages. And of course there are other sources, verified sources. Please follow these sources. Do not focus on wrong stories, misinformation stories, rumor-mongering stories, because this can cause undue panic. And at this point of time, panic is the least thing that we should entertain. All of us should be level-headed, calm, patient, and united in helping each other to overcome and get through the difficult times. I've been getting a number of messages, phone calls, emails, and most of your concerns, especially of the students, is to go back to India. I can understand that. You are concerned, your parents are anxious. But as you know, Ukraine is in lockdown till April 24th. India is also in lockdown till April 14th at least. And therefore travel is impossible, international travel is impossible right now. Therefore, all of us have to stay where we are. We all have to take effective measures of safety in terms of health, social distancing, hygiene, washing your hands, isolating yourself, all the basic things that have been told and you have been reading on websites. Please follow these, because this is a public health concern, and only if everyone practices it is it possible for us to overcome the dangers involved here. The other concern I keep hearing about is medicines, availability of medicines and hospitalization facilities. The Ukrainian government has notified a number of centers for testing of the virus. Of course, you have to go through a local doctor, and the government has and is making efforts to procure essential medicines. In fact, the embassy is also helping out in that measure of procurement of medicines. And when we have reached out to the Ukrainian government and we have got clear-cut assurances, all foreigners will be treated exactly equally like the Ukrainians themselves. They are committed to your care and well-being also. Let us stay where we are. Let us effectively help each other. Let us stand shoulder to shoulder. Please be assured that the embassy is fully monitoring the situation. We are in touch with all the government authorities, the presidency, the foreign office, the health ministry, the education ministry. We've spoken to your universities. I'm also thankful to the educational consultants and agents who are helping in providing basic amenities at this point of time. And so devolves on your students too to help each other and stand shoulder to shoulder. You would appreciate under these health guidelines which have been circulated for public offices, the embassy too is operating with constraints on its resources. So therefore, please be very circumspect in your messaging, in your emails, in your telephone calls, so that due attention can be paid to emergency and urgent situations. When you share information, please share factual information, because we assess the situation based on your inputs. So please send factual information and let us know of any emergency situations so that these can be addressed. I assure you the embassy is fully alert to the situation. We are tracking the situation. We are in touch with all necessary authorities and offices that are playing a vital role in addressing the challenges, and we will continue to do so. Once again, as Prime Minister Modi himself said, panic is not the need of the hour, but patience and understanding is. Solidarity, standing together, shoulder to shoulder, of course with your 1.5 meters social distancing, will help. Take care of yourself, and I'm sure together we will get through these difficult times. Thank you. Namaskar.